Hello, thank you once again for constantly watching my video. I want to say thank you for always watching my videos. Each time I post the video, you guys always come around to watch the ideas and the values I share in this channel. I sincerely want to appreciate you. If today is your first time of watching, please join our community by clicking the subscription button so that you'll be getting the recent updates and the information I will share in this channel. Today we'll be talking about the realities of solar power camera. So if you have known anything called solar power camera, kindly follow us right now as I give you the details and the information that you can never get anywhere in the world except in this channel. Let's go there now. Unveiling the realities of solar power camera. What do you need to know? A lot of questions have been going on concerning this particular topic, and today I have to ask you again, are solar power cameras the game changers? That is the regular question. They touted it to be. Some said it is a hype, while others said there is a hidden truth that needs to be discovered about this topic. For us to discuss this today, join us as we dive into the realities of solar power camera, shedding light on those crucial aspects that every consumer needs to know, from the installation challenges to the performance in varying weather conditions. So, telling the realities of solar power cameras, a lot of questions have been going on in some people's minds, and one of those questions is, what do you need to know about this solar camera? How do you know that this is working? There are so many assumptions, and today I will show you the realities and answers to those questions. Questions like, are solar powered camera the game changer? Are they really what it is? Are there hidden truths that need to be known about it? Are they the hype that people have figured on it? In this discussion today, I'll be showing you the things you need to know and the answer to those hidden questions which you have. So truly, solar powered camera is a game changer. It is not a hype, neither is there anything too difficult, but there are hidden truths which some people will not be able to unveil to you until you are connected to us by watching this video. Join us as we dive into the realities of solar powered camera, shedding light on crucial aspects that every consumer should know, from installation challenges to performance in varying the weather conditions. How do I mean? Even as the weather changes or the differences in locations according to the weather or the condition of the environment per time, we will discover what happens in its performance. We will uncover the truth that manufacturers may not always disclose to you because you are a user or the end user. Whether you are considering to invest in solar power camera or in any surveillance setup, or seeking to optimize your existing ones, this video here is for you, because in this video we will equip you with the valuable insights to make you informed in making decisions. Discover the facts behind the bulls and ensure your security solutions are grounded in reality. So in so doing, by discovering it, your solution will be grounded in reality. And also in doing so, watch this video as we empower you with every details and also ensure that you are welcome into the world of solar powered camera. Let's go for the installations and the truth, as I said. This is the positive and this is the negative. So as usual, we put a positive. Not yet. This one back. Do it like this. That is. SIM card is here. The last one.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up after about 1 minute. Click Next.
How they on me?
Kazi kai pana sijui